2020 was a tough year. Normally we like to get out in big groups and meet new people. This year we stayed within our cohort. We went camping, fishing, and wheeling and had a blast doing it. This is our 2020 year-end video. Hope you enjoy it.
Why didn't you go first? I don't go first! This is why I don't go first! This is why we can't have nice things!
Every once in a while, you need a little help from your friends.
Gotta give him a tug. There he goes. He's out. Oh, almost.
This next section is dedicated to our furry friends from this year. Yep.
Coco.
All right, it's okay, girl.
You're gonna go back on the chain.
Try back up. The bird has landed. Ready? Take a look at this. Okay. Everybody, come on, dog one.
Hello, little girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, yes. What's wrong, JJ? What's wrong? Why are you barking at me? Hello, kids. Some camera.
We took the drone out a little bit more this year, and here are some epic drone shots. will finish this video up with some of our crazy near disaster moments from this year.
The Liberty! He's doing really well, actually. It's a stock Liberty. Oh!
There's a rock there.
There's a rock back there.
I did not see that rock. Did you?
That was fun. Terrifying.
No pressure lights are on, I think.
Good.
So the tire blew on the truck. Created all this damage. All this. I mean, it's hanging on by... and it's not good. And this thing is super janky.
Hey! Bear! Hey! What?
We smell food though. He's still curious.
I'd say throw a stick, but that might not work.
No, it might just aggravate him.
Yeah, look how close that is.
Back fire is very good. You got bugs? Whatever.
Open the door.
I think it came in. You know what? I bet you it was the door seal. I bet you it was, yeah.
Avoid sealing.
Oh, God. Hey, Adam, you got life insurance? Stay to the left? I thought they said don't go left. Be right.
Your left, alright. Your other left. Oh. Steer into it.
Oh, God.
That was his plan. Yeah. To actually steer into it at the end? Yeah. Well, he had to.
Is this a freeze now?
I
No. That is now such a hole.